The seas just offshore are 20 to 24 feet still.
Wow.
So, I mean, this is no joke. Severe beach erosion going to be the case again today. We still have you on a weather alert. The weather impacts today, mainly the coastal flooding, beach erosion, and damaging wind gusts will continue to have some impact, particularly at the coastline back down to Cape Cod. There's some river flooding as well that will have some impact, but that's pretty isolated across the region. Wind right now is gusting over 30 miles per hour at Logan Airport, 40 miles per hour in Plymouth and Hyannis, obviously not nearly as strong as some of the 60, 70, 80, 90 mile per hour gusts that we had over the Cape and Islands last evening. Still gusting to 53 on Nantucket, though. So the hour-by-hour wind gust forecast shows we're going to stay in the gust range between 25 and 45 miles per hour for much of the morning and afternoon with some locally higher gusts. So that's why we're going to see that hamper the cleanup effort here in terms of outages, because that wind does remain strong, particularly on the South Shore and down to the Cape in some of the hardest hit areas right on through the day today. Let's talk flooding here. Boston flooding, historical crest, of course, back in January. Remember that storm, 1978. Yesterday's afternoon high tide was the third highest down on Long Wharf, and then we have two other tides that we watched. Today's high tide is forecast to be 14.1 feet here for the afternoon. That would be areas of moderate coastal flooding all across eastern Massachusetts here, and one of the top 6, obviously, if that does verify. So significant coastal flooding. Here are the high tide times. Right around noontime today, so keep in mind it's just not right at that time. It's a couple hours either side of it. So by late morning, we're going to start to see some of the impacts again. Somewhere like Rockport is right around noontime, same in and around the city of Boston as well. And then there's another tide overnight tonight that happens right around or just after midnight, and that will likely see pockets of minor to moderate coastal flooding. So today's midday high tide will be worse than overnight tonight. And then for the Cape and Islands, places like Sandwich, Dennis, Chatham, Nantucket, some of the most significantly impacted areas during the day today. 1 o'clock high tide here for these locations, and then just after 1 a.m. overnight tonight as well. Want to mention the river flooding briefly, too. These are minor river flooding areas. Taunton River at Bridgewater, and a couple of rivers down across Rhode Island, too. Pawtuxet River at Cranston, and the Pawcatuck River at Westerly. The Charles River at Dover may also briefly come to minor flood stage here, so this is not a huge concern, but the rivers obviously take a little bit of time from the heavy rain that came yesterday before they can crest and then gradually start to recede. All right, temperatures this morning, upper 30s, staying pretty steady here during the course of the day today. There's our storm. Look at that counterclockwise spin out over the ocean right now. The precipitation is pretty much done here. We have a leftover sprinkle on Nantucket, but most of us will be dry for the remainder of the day today. A lot of clouds around kind of on the fringes of this storm still. Can't rule out a sprinkle or a flurry, but no big deal there. Our Sunday, a little bit of sun inland, but a lot of clouds again. Most of the weekend, too, will feature high temperatures in the 40s. These are our forecast highs today, 40 to 45 degrees for many of us. It's actually on the mark for where we should be for the beginning of March here. Pretty average day overall. Mostly cloudy tonight, 35 for an overnight low in Boston. Some of the chilliest suburbs may dip into the upper 20s. That onshore wind is going to be persistent here. Tomorrow, the gusts won't be as strong as today, so we're kind of gradually easing the wind day by day. Tomorrow, we'll still see some gusts 20 to 35 miles per hour. High temperatures just a degree or two shy of where they'll be today. Most of us topping out in the low 40s. All right, start of next week, a little bit brighter. Onshore wind continues on Monday, highs in the low 40s, partly sunny on Tuesday. Another chance of a nor'easter with some rain and snow on Wednesday. It's uncertain as to the exact track of that storm. We're going to watch that on Wednesday, and then it will be out of here Thursday and Friday, a little rebound with temperatures in the mid-40s by the end of next week. Nick Anaridis.
Danielle, thank you. Well,